Making gluten skewers used to be manually wrapped with chopsticks. Large-scale production of gluten rolls requires a lot of labor. There is a fully automatic gluten forming machine and an automatic gluten rolling machine. The processing process of the automatic gluten roll forming machine is as follows. 1. Production. Before the gluten forming process begins, the mixed gluten dough needs to be fed into the forming machine. The conveyor belts in the molding machine will send the gluten dough to a fixed position, ready for the next operation. 2. When the dough ball reaches the forming head of the forming machine, the forming head will start to move. The forming head is composed of multiple forming holes, and the diameter of each forming hole corresponds to the size of the finished gluten. When the gluten ball is pushed to the forming hole, the forming head will press the gluten ball downwards and press it into the forming hole. 3. During the gluten forming process, the forming head will also move on its own to push the gluten ball to the divider. The divider will cut the gluten dough into fixed-size gluten blanks and perform surface treatment through a grinder to give them better smoothness and taste. 4. The formed gluten blank will slowly move forward through the conveyor belt. At this time, the operator can make appropriate adjustments as needed, such as adjusting parameters such as cutting size, gluten shape, and thickness.